What's going on, everybody? Julian here doing another 1 minute video lesson. This time I'm going to be doing a lesson on Fibonacci retracements and the Fibonacci projection tools. So this is a random chart that I pulled up, and what I do for retracement levels is I like to look at the primary move and then its first pullback. I'm going to go over here to my Fibonacci retracement tool. I'm going to measure all the way to the top of the real body, not necessarily a wick this big where price action pulls back, and you will see that price action pulls back into a relatively approximate key level of the 382 retracement level. Now in these types of situations, what I might do is once price action starts to bounce, you can see this little consolidative state right through here. Once this area breaks long and then starts to trend up, I will go back down to the next Fibonacci level and use this as a potential stop. So you can see that my risk right through here is 676 over 661. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fibonacci projection tool. I'm going to go to the same level. I'm actually going to take this across, and then I'm going to go over to my 618 level, mark that off as a potential profit target taking area, and you can see that 810 is the target. So I've got 676 over 661 risk, and then I've got 810 over 676 as my potential profit. That's your 1 minute video lesson.